How to stop receiving email from Aliexpress. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop receiving emails from Aliexpress. If you want to stop or unsubscribe from the emails on Aliexpress, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type aliexpress.com. This is the official website of Aliexpress. If you prefer using application, then you can use Aliexpress app on your mobile device. Now once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Aliexpress. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here at the top you will find account option. Move your cursor to this account option, and from this drop down menu, here you need to select settings. Once you find the settings, click on it to open it. Now you will be taken to the settings page. In this page, you will find activate email notification option. Below it, you will find activate option. You need to click on this activate, and then you will be presented with all the notifications that you would get via email. Now from here, if you want to stop getting emails for a specific topic, you can search from here, and you need to click on the toggle button at the right side of each of them to turn it off. For example, if you want to stop getting emails from Aliexpress about the price alerts and reminders, you need to toggle off the button at the right side of this option. For that, you can just click on the button and it will be switched off. Likewise, you can follow the same process in other topics. And if you want to stop getting emails from Aliexpress completely, then you need to manually toggle this button and turn them off. Once you do so, you won't get any email notifications from Aliexpress now. So by following the steps, you should be able to stop receiving email notifications from Aliexpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.